The bank won't tell you this, but I will. After 7 years of working in banking, I've learned the best ways to save money, especially with credit cards. I realize that a lot of people aren't fully aware of the benefits that credit cards come with for free to help them save even more money. So today, I'm going to share 3 of the most important credit card benefits. And personally, number 3 on this list is my absolute favorite. So let's get into it. First is travel insurance. Most people pay extra for travel insurance when they're booking flights and going on vacation. But did you know that most credit cards already come with travel insurance, rental car insurance, trip cancellation protection, and even give you money back if you lost your luggage and have to cover some expenses during that time? Personally, I've never used that last one, but the other 3 before come super in handy when you're on vacation and looking to save tons of money. I highly recommend being aware and checking the additional details of your credit card online, getting familiar with the travel rules and insurance rules of your particular credit card to know what the limitations are. Some of them will have a timeline. Let's say it'll cover you for 21 days of your vacation, or it'll have a dollar limit that it covers you up to. The important thing is to know what you have so that you can save even more on your vacation. Number 2, cashback and rewards. Everyone loves to talk about this, and that's because these cashback and points are basically free money. But honestly, only if you use it right. I've seen the mistake of a lot of people will get a specific card because, hey, these rewards are great. But you gotta ask yourself, do these rewards fit my lifestyle? And also remember to use your rewards. I see a lot of people forgetting to use that. You lose the value when you don't. So here's how you pick a credit card that's best for you. You want to look at your bank statement, your credit card statement, and break it down into 6 categories: bills, transportation and gas, travel, fun and entertainment, groceries, and other. And now ask yourself, which of these categories do most of my expenses fall under? Based on that, you want to pick a credit card that fits that category because that's what's going to fit your needs. If you're spending more on groceries, let's look at cards that are going to get us more points back on groceries. If you're spending more on travel, great. Let's look at cards that will give us travel benefits like airport lounge access, travel discounts, free luggage check-in, because that costs so much these days. I don't even understand why it's like, I want to have a carry-on. I can't even have a carry-on without it like, oh, it has to fit into this thing. And if it doesn't fit into it, now I have to check it in. So sorry, random ramble, but you get the point. Very, very important to have the right card that fits your lifestyle to make sure you're getting the most advantage out of your card. And make sure you remember to use those rewards, cash them out. Number 3, and this is my personal favorite. Honestly, it has come so clutch for me in the past, and I'll explain, but it is extended warranty. So many credit cards actually extend the original manufacturer's warranty for free. That essentially means covering repairs or replacements in case your item gets damaged or stolen. So now I'm going to explain how the extended warranty works using a personal story. So I bought a new device, a phone, a few years back, took it to work, had it on my desk, okay? Went to the bathroom, came back, gone. I'm stressed, bro. I'm like, yo, I only had this for like 3 weeks. How are you stealing my stuff at work, bro? So anyways, I reported this to my boss. He sees me like freaking out, yada, yada, yada. And then he basically explains to me how like the credit card rules work. So we're at the bank, so he understands this, no surprise to me, but it was a surprise to me at the time because I wasn't aware. He's like, okay, go get your bank statement, your credit card statement, showing that you purchased this on the card. If I still have the receipt, beautiful, which I still did. Go file a security report downstairs, letting them know that your item was stolen, and then call the insurance company on the back of the credit card. So I did all that, contacted the insurance company, and they basically gave me a check in the mail within like a week for the full amount. It was a beautiful thing, right? Gave me a peace of mind, but personally, I think my boss stole my phone. I'll never really know to this day if he did or he did not. But what I will say is 1.5 years later, he got fired from the job. So for other reasons, to each their own. So these are just 3 of my favorite credit card benefits. And there's a lot more out there too as well. Personally, I recommend familiarizing yourself with what your credit card benefits are. Look up your credit card, go on its website and scroll to the bottom, read the additional details, the additional info, the terms and conditions, and make sure that you are aware and so that things are clear so that we can make it fair for you. I hope this video has been absolutely helpful for you and you've learned something today. If you have, please hit the subscribe button because I will be sharing more simple finance tips like this. And on that note, you have yourself a wonderful day. Cheers.